Hello guys, let me introduce myself to you all and listen carefully. My name is Anissa Dewi Prasetyo and this my friend is Risna.
Hello, my name is Risna Salsabina, and this is my friend Rizka.
Hi, my name is Siska Gusin Putri.
So today we are going to make question and answer with my friend. So question number one.
Question number one is who is the most interesting person you ever met? Answer Risna.
The most interesting person I have met is my coworker who is also a student. She has a lot of experience. She is smart, beautiful, hardworking, and always willing to learn. That impressed me and motivates me to be like her. How about Rizka?
And answer.
Because I really meet people. I think most interesting people I've met are those closer to me, like my family and friends. They are always there to support me, provide motivation, and make my happy, and always to support me and their presence and attention.
Uh, I, my opinion, I often meet artists, and the most interesting, in my opinion, are celebrities. Name is Irresular and Denny Sumargo, and their son Biel. They are very kind and not arrogant. But, yes, and have a good aura.
Question number two. Where in the world would you most like to visit?
Well, sir, I really want to go to European continent such as Switzerland, Germany, and Netherlands because, in my opinion, this countries have
Uh, I am most want to visit Asian countries, especially China, because I often watch Chinese dramas, and that makes me interested in going to that country. When I can visit in China, I might go to the cities of Beijing, Yihe, and Harbin.
And me, I want to Mecca, London, Palestine, Switzerland, Turkey, Melbourne, Japan, and last Korea.
and number three question
And
is
question number three: what has been the most life-changing upbringing you've ever had? Mm, I used to be bullied from there. I realized and interpreted myself. I had to be brave to fight them.
and I answer number three. A valuable experience, in my opinion, was when I gave up after failing many times to be rejected by my dreams at university, and I was depressed and was not to go to college anymore at the time because I felt I had no more enthusiasm. But besides that, there really were so many people around me who gave me encouragement, such as Gojek, my uncle, my friend. I also had the motivation to prove to people who had belittled me that I cook rice again. And next, Krishna.
The most life-changing experience for me was when I worked in Jakarta while studying. I would go home once a week, which forced me to become more independent and learn to make the most of my time.
And question number four about what is the most spontaneous things you have ever done?
The most spontaneous thing I've ever done was taking a trip to Bandung with my older sister without any plans or preparations. We were in Bandung for just 1 day and 2 nights.
Uh, when I made brownies because I like baking so much. And last, Caca.
And I answer number four about the most spontaneous things I did was when I received a job from a company and I immediately decided to move from a regular class to an employee class. And the number five,
Who's
rules
had
had
biggest influence on your life?
My parents.
Oh,
And
Caca?
Caca.
and, and I answer number five. Someone who has an influence in my life is my mother. This is someone who is always enthusiastic and always try to give the best for the children.
Okay.
And how about you, Rizna?
Uh, I am, of course, is my family, especially my older sister. She has always been by my side, supporting all my decisions and always trying to fulfill my wishes. This makes her a very influential person in my life. Yeah, I love my older sister very much.
Question number 6. What thing that you haven't yet done what you most like to do?
What thing that you haven't yet done? Something I want to try is scuba diving because I love swimming and enjoy challenge. It makes me curious about the sensation.
And me going to traveling on and Caca.
I really like going on trips to the mountains and beach, but my work and college are very busy, so I can't do it anymore. And number seven question is what is the best quality you are inspired from either of your parents? And I answer the best quality that my parents inspired from me is their hardworking nature. Even though I fall thousands of the times, I fall, still get up and try again and try again. I'm also a diligent person. How about you, Risma?
I inherited my mother's passion. It has been very helpful in dealing with problems.
Me pretends kindness, intelligence, breed of heart, pretty and elegant.
Okay, question number 8. From which person have you learned the most in your life?
Um, I answer Sukarno because I know many facts actually happened and made it interesting, especially about the truth of Indonesia. And how about you, Caca?
I answer about number eight. Yes, my opinion is everyone who has ever been in my life has taught their outlet. I have met many people and gotten to know many people. That is what made me learn many things and learn something. But regardless of age and background because they have their own stories and background. How about you, Rizna?
I have learned the most from my older sister, always my older sister, especially about how to deal with problems, failures, and how to bounce back, and always be grateful for whatever God has given me. So, question number nine, sorry.
Question number nine. What historical figure do you most identify with? How about you, Rizna?
I don't feel like I resemble this figure, but I greatly admire him. That's B.J. Habibie because he is known as an intelligent, hardworking, and never give up figure. He's really cool.
Bentar. Kayaknya aku yang nomor 8 salah masukin deh. Bentar. Apa-apa. Wait. Nomor 8 salah.
Ida? Ini nomor berapa sih? Oh, nomor 9 ya?
Diulang nggak?
Dari nomor 8 kan berarti?
Iya.
Ya udah.
Ya udah. Ulang ya.
Ya.
Question number 8. From which person have you learned the most in your life? How about you, Rizka?
My parents, my friend, myself, and world. And how about you, Caca?
Everyone who has ever been in my life has taught me their own reason. I have met many people and gotten to know many people. That is what makes me learn many things. And learning something can be regardless of age and background because they have their own stories and background. How about you, Lisa?
I have learned the most from my older sister. Always my older sister, especially about how to deal with problems, failures, and how to bounce back, and always be grateful for whatever God has given me. Okay, question number nine. What historical figure do you most identify with? I don't feel like I resemble this figure, but I greatly admire him. That's B.J. Habibie because he is known as an intelligent, hardworking, and never give up figure. He is really cool. How about you, Rizka?
Soekarno. Because I know many facts actually happened and make it interesting, especially about the truth of Indonesia. And how about you, Cica?
I really like Aristotle. He is a scientist known as a father of intelligent physics developers. Um, Question number 10, the last question, guys. What kind of music do you like? And I really like pop music and I really like Taylor Swift song. How about you, Rizna?
I like pop and jazz music because these genres are very catchy and enjoyable to listen to in any situation. Rizka,
And about me, I'm listening emo, pop punk, post hardcore, pop, indie rock, R&B, and K-pop.
okay. So we are done about question and answer. So bye guys.
Bye guys, thank you. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.
Bye.
Lucu